Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So I wanted to start off on the daily time frame today because I just wanted to show you that the daily definitely does have a break of structure. More than likely, that does prove to me that the whole series of lower lows, lower highs we see here is over. I personally think it's going to be a correction, so I'll be targeting maybe the 38, 50%, maybe even the 61%. I think we'll be able to recognize when the correction is over, but for now, since we have a break of structure, we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, and to be honest with you, it kind of looks like it almost may be like a one, two, three, four, and five. It may actually turn down and make a much bigger correction. This could be like the wave A, and then it turns down and makes a wave B, and then it potentially goes up and makes a wave C. So I mean, it really depends on what time frame you're trading. I mean, I would recommend longs because I personally would patiently be waiting for the end of a wave B to go long for a wave C. But if you're trading a very, very short time frames, which I think a lot of people definitely are, then if you get like a little breakdown on like the 15-minute time frame, you could be looking for shorts in the wave B until you can identify the end of a wave B. Then you can look for longs until you I can identify the end of a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.